What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Batman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this in and then up. Let's line up the bottom on the right side and do the same thing. Now from the end of the brow, draw a straight angle line going up and then out towards the top. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. From the top, step down, curve the eye coming around, and then up towards that inside point. And then we'll add a fold in between the brow, the curve going up and then down. Now let's move all the way down, draw in the mouth with another curve going up and down. And add a bracket around the corners. Draw a short curve for the lower lip. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on the left. Come down. Come across just underneath the mouth and then bend that back up towards the right. Now to work our way up towards the tip of the ears, starting back on the left, go up and then bend that in. Let's go back over towards the right and do the same thing, pulling that in towards the same height. Let's go back to the left, bend this down and then in on top of the head. Now I'm going to connect the ends with a curve for the head going up and then down. Let's draw the inside edge of the ears. From the tip, coming down and then in. Now let's go back and draw the edge of the mask. Starting right above the mouth, start with a point. Bend this up and then out on both sides. Curve the mask coming down and then in towards the chin. Now from this fold, draw a straight line coming down towards the tip of the nose. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, just underneath the head. Bring this out and down towards the hip. Line this up on the right. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's step up, draw the top of the belt. In the center of the belt, we're going to draw an oval for the buckle. And then on either side, draw two straight lines coming down. Let's draw that bat symbol in the center of the body, starting at the very top with a curve, like a half circle, coming down and up. Come straight down the side. Bend this up and then out towards the top of the wing. Go this around and then down. I'm going to add those little points along the bottom. Go up and down on the left and right. Let's add one more curve, going up, pull that all the way down towards the bottom point. Now from the buckle, step down and add a curve, going across, leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to round up the bottom of the feet. From the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and up towards the outside. Let's go back to the left, draw the top of the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's go up to the hips, curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Now I want to add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace it across the top on both sides. And then just up on top of the foot, let's add the edge of the boot. Start with a straight angle line coming up and in. Curve this down and then in towards the inside of the legs. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the belt. So starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a small half circle for the thumb and then close that off with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and then up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger, and then we'll do that one more time with the third finger, pulling it up and then in underneath the head. Let's go halfway along the inside of the arm, draw the edge of the glove, going up and then out. And then on the back side of the arm, we're going to add 2 spikes. Let's start on the left, going out and up, taper the back in so it gets thicker, and then we'll do that one more time just below it. Now along the top of the shoulders, we're going to see the edge of the cape. Let's start from the outside of the arm, then it's up and in, and pull that up underneath the chin on both sides. Let's go underneath that outside finger, bend the cape, going out and then down towards the bottom. Now I want to layer the cape in behind the legs, so on the left we go up and then down just on top of the foot. Let's add another curve coming in, and it'll continue in between the legs. Now it's time to art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Batman, and now I'm going to try drawing this in under 1 minute, and I'm going to keep the details very simple. I'm not looking to interpret the character like I did before. My goal is to focus only on the parts that make this character unique, which are the ears, the symbol, and the cape. And I'll add the same signature color palette to make it more recognizable. And now I'm going to try to draw this in under 10 seconds, and if you enjoyed today's lesson and challenge, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.